Welcome again. I know you may forgive me. I'm making videos at night. Yeah, this is when I'm having free time. But I just want to tell you something that I saw, which is terrifying to the Southern African region, the SADC. I saw steel birds flying over Zimbabwe. I saw steel birds flying over Zimbabwe. And I was asking God, what are these? And God said, very soon. I saw steel birds made of metal, flying over Zimbabwe and some parts of Mozambique. Yes, Zimbabwe and some parts of Mozambique. Steel birds were flying. We need to pray. Mozambicans, Zimbabweans, we need to pray more. I saw steel birds. I saw steel birds. So we need to pray more.